Hello viewers, I'm Maithili. Today we are going to see 11th Maths CBSE sets exercise 1.49 sum over here. Let's see the question. If A equal to 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 and B is equal to 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, C equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 5 is equal to 5, 10, 15, 20. We need to find A difference B. A difference B means we need to take the common out, that is in A and B we need to remove all the common elements, that is 12. That's all, only 12 is not there, 12 is there, so remove 12 and write the elements in the first one. Remove the common and write the elements in the first one will be your answer. So in A, removing 12 we have 3, 6, 9, 15, 18 and 21. So this is the A difference B. Similarly in A difference C, remove the common elements. Common elements is 6. So removing 6, then 12. That's all. 6 and 12, write the rest of the elements in the first one, that is on A. 3, 9, 15, 18, 21. So that's all with the second one. We'll move on to the third one. Third one is A difference D. So in A and D, remove the common elements. Common elements is 15. Removing the common elements, write the element on the set A, the first one, that is the set A, that is 3, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 21. We'll move on to the next one. B difference A. Remove the common element. Common element in the B and A is 12. Yeah, 12. Removing 12, write the elements on the first set, that is B. 4, 8, 16 and 20. So these are the answer for the first four. We'll move on to the fifth one, that is C difference A. C difference A, in A and C, remove the common elements and write the elements on the C. That is 2 you can write, 4 it's not there, we can write 6, leave it off 6 because in A 6 is there, then 8, 10, 12 is there in A, 14 and 16. We'll move on to the next one. D difference A. D difference A means remove the common elements and write in set D. So if I remove the common elements, 15 goes off. So I can write 5, 10 and 20. Now we'll move on to B difference C. In B difference C, remove the common and write in the first set, that is B. So you can't write 4, you can't write 8, you can't write 12, you can't write 16. So you can write, you can't write 16 and you can take 20. Now we'll move on to the next one, B difference D. In B and D, remove the common element and write the set B. There is no common element, 20 is there, so leaving 20, write the rest. So it is 4, 8, 12 and 16. Now we'll move on to C difference B. Same way, remove everything and write the elements in the set C. So 4 you can leave, 8 you can leave, 12 you can leave, 16 you can leave, remaining you can write. So 2, 6, 10, 14. Now we'll move on to D difference B. D difference B means D and B. Remove the common elements in D and B and write in set D. D is the first one, so we need to write in D. So it's 5, 10 and 15. Now we'll move on to the ninth one, C difference D. In C and D, remove the common elements and write in set C. So the common element here is 10. That's all, only removing 10. we can write the rest of C. That is 2, 4, 6, 8, 12, 14 and 16. Now D difference C. In D and C, remove the common elements. That is 10 and write the rest of D. Because D is the first element, you need to write the rest of D. Sorry, it is 15 and 20. 5, 15 and 20. That's all with the sum. Thank you.